Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here it is, my 17 F-250 6.2 liter gas. Yep, it's going away. Here she is. I mean, look, such a beautiful truck for Super Duty. Okay, so let's go over some stuff. Got some XD Rockstar wheels, Toyo Open Country AT3s. Those are $295, 55, 20s. Acan headlights with workbox LEDs for the highs and lows. Just looks good. Looks good. Love XD Rockstar wheels. I love the matte black. Open the door and amp running boards. Love those too. I did the Sync 3 upgrade here. That was a lot of money, but it was worth it. I loved it. Loved it while it lasted. I only had this truck a year. The cheap tonneau cover on the top. Got the, oh, what is it there? That light bar mount thing, because it's an aluminum roof, so, you know. Kind of custom graphics there that I made. And the LED Platinum or Limited Series, well, sometimes Lariat, LED tail lights as well. That pretty much sums everything up. Really there. Man, it just moved really quick. I've heard of a lot of people just kind of selling their vehicles and waiting right now. I'm like, well, I wonder, seeing how there's nothing out there that I really desire right now for a replacement for this, I'm gonna see what they'll give me for it. Gave me more than what I paid for it last March. So yeah, I'm gonna jump on that totally. Now, the whole reason why I got rid of my black F-150 and went to this white F-250 is the 8-foot box. Pull my tractor and my trailer for cutting wood. I am not gonna cut wood and haul it anymore, so I don't need this big old monster right now. I liked it. I love it. Love this truck. But it's time to move on, get rid of it, and yeah, move on to the next project, which is going to be cheaper. I want a cheaper car payment. So I'm looking at something high miles, possibly a first-gen Raptor. Something that will still be powerful enough to haul my big trailer with my tractor, some toys. And I mean, yeah, you could get the max trailer tow pack with the 3.5 liter EcoBoost in the F-150, but I don't know. It's a big trailer, you know what I mean? I still don't feel that comfortable. I like the 6.2, and that first gen Raptor has the 6.2 after, I don't know, 2011, I think, 2012, something like that. I think that's going to be the best bet for it. So, I don't know. Last night I was like, I'm going to see if anybody wants to buy this thing. So the dealership I bought it from gave me a heck of a deal on my black F-150. And $5 grand more than the local dealership, which is crazy. They're both Ford dealerships, but whatever. So I took it to them first thing, and yeah, they offered me more than I thought I would get for it, which is also more than I paid for it last year. It's just the economy the way it is. It's just weird how stuff works. So replacement right away, probably not. I'm probably gonna sit on a no car payment, no insurance summer, and maybe start looking into summer wise, unless something pops up. I'm gonna keep my eye out for first gen high mileage Raptors, and some kind of deal comes up along the way, I think I'm gonna take it. So yeah, here it is. I'm gonna miss it. It's bittersweet. I worked this truck and it worked really good, but yeah, I guess some more details. I mean, I do have some money into this thing. I do have quite a bit of money into this. But the way YouTube works is I get ad revenue, obviously. So in the long run, it will work out. Because none of this stuff is cheap, you know what I'm saying? Especially right here. My high dollar items, God, actually they're all high dollar. But so the 20-inch Rockstar wheels with the Open Country AT3s, $3 grand for all four wheels and tires. Sync 3 upgrade on the inside. That was a kit. I believe I got it for 13 and some change. Came with the radio bezel all the way around, the new APIM, the 8-inch screen, the updated hardware as far as plugging in for USB-C. Yeah, so that was around 13 and some change. Yeah, so amp research running boards, those were 15. A lot of this nice stuff, you know, I had these on my old F-150 that were stock because it was a Lariat. I like amp research way better than the ones that were on the Ford. But you know, I don't know, this truck sits so much higher than my F-150 did that I needed that extra. I mean, they come out quite a ways and down, so it's more comfortable getting in and out of the vehicle, especially for like my wife and kids. So those were really the high dollar items. Next in line, OEM tail lights. Now, if you've seen the video, you know I made my own wiring harness with it. I reused the bliss sensors, but I bought the units whole. They came with the bliss sensors and the brackets, because the brackets for these tail lights are different. So I needed those brackets, so then I just made my own wiring harness. But these are, if you can wait and find them and get a deal on them, $500 a side. That's the cheapest you will get. So you got $1,000 here. And actually I think I got more than that, because when I busted that one, I think I wound up paying $6 for that. And then the headlights, the Acan headlights with the LED bulbs, I'm guessing I'm at $400. I love them. You know, they got the little, it's not the DRL, but it's the parking lamp there. My DRL is still the low beam, but and then other than that, I did stick the subwoofer in this. I did tint the front windows. The subwoofer was not mentioned in the deal, so I grabbed it and I took it out. So I've got that, because most likely that Raptor that I get, if I get a first gen Raptor, it won't have a sub in it. It might, but it might not, but I want that. So there she is, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the build on this. If not, if you didn't, check it out. Check out all my old videos on the F-250 Super Duty, Illuma Duty. That's the playlist. There it is. Till we meet again, guys. Later.